Classic Army Airsoft guns are revered for their authenticity and performance in the world of airsoft. Modeled after real firearms, they offer meticulous attention to detail, replicating the look and feel of their live-fire counterparts. These airsoft guns are known for their reliability and consistency, appealing to both beginners and experienced players. With a wide range of models and styles, Classic Army Airsoft guns provide enthusiasts with an immersive and challenging airsoft experience. Without further ado, let's get started. Number 6. Classic Army Nemesis is a standout in the world of airsoft, offering high-performance EGs, automatic electric guns, designed for the discerning player. These rifles are built with durability and precision in mind, featuring robust metal construction for the receiver and key components. The Nemesis series boasts a high-torque motor, quick-change spring system, and programmable electronic control system, X, allowing you to fine-tune your rifle's performance to match various field conditions. With advanced features such as adjustable hop-up, ambidextrous controls, and multiple length options, the Nemesis rifles offer adaptability and accuracy. Whether you're an experienced airsoft player or a tactical enthusiast, the Classic Army Nemesis series combines reliability with innovation, delivering a superior airsoft experience for those who demand exceptional performance and durability on the field. Number 5. Classic Army Rs 312 is a versatile and robust airsoft rifle designed to excel in various gaming scenarios. This EG, automatic electric gun, boasts a durable full metal construction, including a metal receiver, barrel assembly, and rail system. The Rs 312 features a high-torque motor and a quick-change spring system, allowing you to adapt your rifle's power output to suit different field requirements. With an adjustable hop-up system, ambidextrous controls, and a 6.03mm tight-bore inner barrel, it offers exceptional accuracy and reliability during skirmishes. Whether you're a seasoned airsoft player or a tactical enthusiast, the Classic Army Rs 312 combines durability with performance, delivering a top-tier airsoft experience for those who value precision and adaptability in various gaming environments. Elevate your airsoft battles with this meticulously crafted rifle, where quality meets versatility. Number 4. Classic Army K870 Breacher Shotgun is a formidable airsoft shotgun, engineered for intense close-quarters battles. With its sturdy metal and polymer construction, this pump-action shotgun offers exceptional durability and realism. The Breacher shotgun features a shorter barrel, making it ideal for maneuvering through tight spaces while maintaining precision. It boasts a magazine-fed design, providing quick and easy reloads, while its adjustable hop-up system enhances accuracy. Whether you're an airsoft enthusiast looking for a powerful and reliable close-quarters battle solution or a player who appreciates the authenticity and power of a shotgun, the Classic Army K870 Breacher Shotgun combines resilience with precision, delivering a thrilling and immersive airsoft experience for those who value dominance in close-quarter engagements. Elevate your airsoft battles with this meticulously crafted shotgun, where strength meets precision. Number 3. Classic Army 132 Vehicle Mounting Kit is a game-changing addition for airsoft enthusiasts who seek unparalleled firepower and strategic advantage on the battlefield. This kit transforms the fearsome M132 micro gun into a vehicular powerhouse, allowing it to be securely mounted on various platforms. With its sturdy construction and versatile design, it provides a reliable and flexible solution for mounting this mini Gatling gun, whether on a vehicle, a stationary position, or for defensive roles. The M132's high-pressure air system ensures consistent and devastating firepower, making it a potent force multiplier. Whether you're planning to dominate large-scale airsoft games or looking for an imposing presence on the field, the Classic Army 132 Vehicle Mounting Kit combines strength with adaptability, delivering an exhilarating and strategic airsoft experience for those who demand raw firepower and tactical supremacy. Elevate your airsoft tactics with this meticulously crafted mounting kit, where versatility meets intensity. Number 2. Classic Army issc Mach-22 is an exceptional airsoft rifle, meticulously crafted to replicate the real-world issc Mach-22, offering players an authentic and thrilling experience. With a sturdy polymer construction, this EIG, automatic electric gun, is both lightweight and durable, making it perfect for extended skirmishes. The MiG-22 features ambidextrous controls, a folding stock, and a Picatinny rail system, enhancing adaptability and customization options. Its adjustable hop-up system ensures precise shot placement, while the high-capacity magazine ensures you're ready for sustained firefights. Whether you're a dedicated airsoft enthusiast or a collector seeking an accurate replica, the Classic Army issc MiG-22 combines realism with reliability, delivering an immersive and authentic airsoft experience for those who value authenticity and precision on the field. Elevate your airsoft gameplay with this meticulously crafted rifle, where quality meets authenticity. Number 1. Classic Army Nemesis X9 is a compact yet powerful airsoft submachine gun designed to excel in close-quarters battles. Featuring a robust metal receiver and handguard, this EIG, automatic electric gun, is built for durability and performance. The X9's short barrel and retractable stock make it maneuverable and perfect for tight spaces, while the Numlock rail system provides ample space for accessories. It includes ambidextrous controls, adjustable hop-up, and a quick-change spring system, ensuring adaptability and precision. With a high-capacity magazine and a high-torque motor, it delivers consistent firepower during intense skirmishes.